Radhe Radhe everyone. I have created mom to be hampers for my sister and I thought of sharing with you all how I have created them. So I have started by making bee using a yellow chart paper. Here I'm cutting it into the shape of a bee. Using a black marker, I am adding on some details. Now using a white chart paper, I am going to cut out the wings of the bee, and using a glue stick, I am going to stick on the wings. Here I am adding some more details to the hampers. Here I am making some hexagons, and I'll cut this out. Here I am cutting out a rough circle from the same yellow colored chart paper, and I am going to write mom to be on it. Now I am assembling the hamper. Here I am using sellotape to stick on the details which I have created, and placing all the items and arranging it nicely. And this is my second hamper. For this I have taken a few colored nail paints. I have purposely taken a blue and a pink because the blue is going to represent a boy and the pink color is going to represent a girl. And I have also cut out a small piece of paper and I have written or on it, and so it is going to show as a boy or a girl. Again, I'm arranging all the items nicely. And here are the two hampers which I have created for my sister. Please keep her in your prayers, and I hope you all have liked these hampers. Thank you for watching.